I'm currently sitting under my truck about to replace the shocks. So wish me luck, everybody. Alright, got the first one out. Wasn't too bad. To use that pry bar there to get it out of the hole. But given how rusty this truck is, I'm surprised it came out that easily. So let's go grab the new one and compare. So here's the new shock. Just some cheap shock I got online. I think in a previous video I showed you where I got them on eBay. But let's slap her back in there and start the other side. So both shocks are in. See the new black shocks in there. They are both in. And I'm going to see if maybe I can attempt the front shocks as well. Which also shouldn't be too bad. So I should just be able to turn the wheel all one direction. So let's have a go at it. Also, I split my lip on a stupid pry bar that fell down, so that sucked.